If you're encountering a frustrating error message while trying to log into Facebook that says something went wrong with Facebook closed because this app has a bug, don't worry, I've got you covered with some easy fixes to get you back on the track. Fix number 1. Update the app. Firstly, head over to the Play Store and search for Facebook. Check if there's an update available for the Facebook app. If there is, simply update it and try logging in again. If this doesn't work, let's move on to the next fix. Fix number 2. Exit beta program and reinstall the app. If you're experiencing this error, it could be due to your participation in the Facebook beta program. To fix it, simply exit the beta program via the Play Store and this should fix the issue. Fix number 3. Clear Facebook cache and data. Now let's try clearing the Facebook cache and data. Before you do this, make sure you have your Facebook ID and password handy, as doing this will log you out of Facebook. Go to your device settings, then apps, find Facebook, tap on it, then go to storage. From there, clear the data and cache. Log back into Facebook and give it another try. If it still doesn't work, on to the next fix. Fix number 4. Try Facebook Lite. There is a lighter version of Facebook available on the Play Store called Facebook Lite. You can give this a shot. Head to the Play Store, search for Facebook Lite, install the app, log in, and you are good to go. If Facebook Lite doesn't work, let's try another solution. Fix number 5. Use Facebook in a browser. Open your browser and type facebook.com in the address bar. Log in with your Facebook credentials and voila, your Facebook is ready to use. If none of these fixes work, it's possible that Facebook servers are down. In that case, visit downdetector.com on your browser and search for Facebook. Check for any reported outages in the last 24 hours. If Facebook is indeed down, just wait for the servers to come back up. In the meantime, feel free to explore our channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.